Hello and welcome to this training session for Nutrition Maker software. My name is Doug and I'll be taking you through this tutorial today. What we're going to show you is an overview of the main screen for Nutrition Maker. If you're an existing customer, we hope this training tutorial will give you more proficiency in using our software. If you're not a customer and you're just checking out Nutrition Maker, remember that we do offer a free 2-week trial. There's a link down below, and when you sign up, we can give you a 10% discount as well. So let's get right to it.
When you log into Nutrition Maker, this is the screen you will come to. At the top of the screen is a message icon. If your clients have sent you messages, you will receive notifications here. To the right, here you can log out. To the very far right, under the question mark icon, you can see all the video tutorials that come with the program. To the far left, you can access your client tab, you can view messages, you can see your personal calendar, and under settings, you can access all the administration settings, as well as access master templates, create goals, handouts, and nutrition. To the middle of the screen is a filter where you can search for your clients in an active, inactive status, or if you've put them in groups. You can also filter out by staff members, and you can see how many clients are currently used in your license, how many more are available, and the ability to buy more licenses if you need them. In the main portion of the screen is the ability to search for your clients. What you'll see here is a photograph of your client, their name. You can also see the type of client they are. You can view their last login, and you can access their overview page, or you can access specific areas for that client. You can also deactivate the client when they're done using your services.
Thanks for watching. We hope this has helped you to utilize Nutrition Maker software a little bit better. If you think you've gotten value out of this, we would appreciate a thumbs up. And if you want to be kept in the loop for future tutorials, be sure to click on the subscribe button as well. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.